Hi, this is Katrina. Welcome to my studio. I'm just doing a quick little unbox of my latest Jackson's order. Always exciting to get packages from Jackson's. Okay, so these are their new little sketchbooks. I'm actually giving a class at the moment, and I thought a cute little thank you sort of present to my students at the end of the course, I would give them a little sketchbook and maybe a few painting or sketching supplies. So I thought these were a great little option, and maybe one or two for my own handbag stash in the future, but they look pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to open one and just see what they're like inside. So these are, I guess, like an A6 size. They're pretty small. They say 20 pages, 140 GSM. So I like that they were just that little bit heavier than a lot of sketchbooks can be, sort of 120 or 110, particularly in Australia. Little soft cover, lightly textured. They look pretty cool. I hope my students like them. Okay. We have little boxes of treasures. Sennelier oil pastel sticks. So pretty. And M. Graham Naples Yellow. This is from watching Dr. Otto Kano's review of the full range of M. Graham. An interesting option. This is a single pigment version of Naples Yellow. So pigment code is, when I put my glasses on, it's a PBR24. Most other Naples yellows are a yellow pigment with a white. This is a single pigment, so I'm really interested and see how this will blend in with my other M. Graham paints. Really looking forward to trying this one out. And, oh yes, pencils. I love pencils. So these are Pitt pastel pencils. I had bought a few loose stock previously and I actually really love them, and I just thought, since I was putting in an order, I'd grab a few more, some more brighter colours this time. The ones I have are quite muted. I love pastel pencils for life drawing. So They look really exciting. And a bunch of Roman smalls and one. This is actually, is it going to focus? It's a Schminky. This is the Volcano Red. So it's sort of part of their ultra super granulating. Now I thought their super granulating colours looked really interesting, but I personally would not be why are you not focusing? I wouldn't use them very much. I prefer the single pigments and playing with what they can achieve. Actually, I can zoom in now, can't I? Come on. There we go. It's a bit better. So I'm more likely to use the single pigments and mix my own granulating colours as I need them. So, and now I've got a bunch more of my favourite Roman small watercolours. Some of them are replacements, although this is Phthalo Blue Red shade. I only have the green shade at the moment. A Blue Ridge Burnt Sienna, thought I'd try that one out. What else do we have here? Mummy Transparent Red. Oh, I love this colour. I use it so much. Perylene Green. No, this is not. This is Cobalt Green Deep. Another really granulating colour. I thought that it will be an interesting granulating mix with the Volcano Red. So then we have Quinacridone Maroon. That's my French Ultramarine because I was running low. That's the Perylene Green because again I'm running low. And Quin Gold. Again, I'm running low. So it was a bit of a time to top up. So there's 4 top up colours and 4 new colours and the Schminker colour. And the M. Graham, my oil pastels and pastel pencils, and some sketchbooks. So, all in. Come on, why are you not focusing? Here we go. So now we'll have to do a little bit of a swatch out of my different supplies then. My new supplies. I'm so excited to try these Sennelier oil pastels. I've never tried them before, so very, very exciting. I think they'll go quite nicely with my Mungios. And then those pastel pencils. What a lovely little haul. What a beautiful little present to get this morning. So we'll see you next time. Bye.